Hi, this is Alan Eccles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Lisbon, Ohio, and home of R.L. Craig Incorporated. Over 30 years ago, Richard "Skip" Craig recognized a growing need in the labeling and packaging industry for quality T-base style support stands. Well, after investing in manufacturing equipment and custom tooling, R.L. Craig Incorporated was born. Once proud to offer a single support apparatus for sale, R.L. Craig has now become a one-stop shop for conveyors, stands, and custom automated product handling solutions. With the Craig family name on every machine, you can be sure that you are getting the highest quality machinery in the industry, customer service that is second to none, and industry experience you can trust. R.L. Craig designs and manufactures a variety of high-quality conveyor models. Their creative team excels at offering custom solutions. Whether you need a basic transport conveyor or integrated conveyor for your labeler, laser marking or ink marking application, they are sure to have a model to fit your needs. R.L. Craig's innovative modular conveyor design saves time. Mechanical adjustments are made with ease from product batch to batch. Batch settings can also be stored for later use on the integrated touch screen. This flexibility allows a single R.L. Craig conveyor to accomplish the tasks of several traditional conveyors. R.L. Craig conveyors are relied on by nearly every industry, from food, beverage, pharmaceutical, and healthcare products, just to name a few. Let R.L. Craig convey your ideas to market. Visit them at rlcraig.com. This is Alan Eccles for Manufacturing Marvels.